Oke, halo semuanya. Perkenalkan nama gue Dinegoro Bramantio dan selamat datang di game The Long Dark. Gue tahu game ini jarang ada yang bikin konten tentang game ini ya, apalagi di Indonesia gitu. Ada beberapa YouTuber yang pernah bikin game pernah bikin konten game ini. Gue tahu, misalnya kayak di Zoomers atau siapa lagi gue lupa ya. Cuma intinya gitu ya, game ini emang developingnya cukup lama ya. Jadi mereka tuh pernah merilis game ini di sekitar tahun mungkin 2014 ya kalau nggak salah. Dan somehow mereka tuh ngeluarin story-nya ya, yang di sini namanya Wintermute. Ini tuh nih episode-episode ini tuh lama banget gitu, lama banget gitu. Jadi istilahnya ada 5 episode yang mereka tawarkan gitu kan di dalam cerita utamanya mereka. Cuma dari setiap episode itu rilisnya tuh di tahun yang berbeda-beda. Nah, waktu itu kebetulan ketika gue dapat game ini gratis dari Epic Games, gue berkesempatan untuk mainin tiga episode langsung gitu. Episode satu, episode 2, episode 3. Jadi waktu itu episode 4 waktu masih kekunci, ini kayak episode 5. Dan gue menikmati banget sih dari dari apa namanya dari story yang ditawarkan sama Hinterland, developernya soal tentang game ini gitu. Dan gue dapat kabar gitu ya. Mungkin bukan kabar sih, lebih kayak Hinterland mengeluarkan ini trailer baru yang mungkin nanti tanggal 5 Desember itu akan keluar nih episode 5 nih. Gue nggak tahu sih apakah itu sebenarnya cuma trailer untuk expansion doang atau mungkin nanti akan keluar episode terakhir dari sini gitu. Tapi ini bikin gue excited dan gue pengen coba untuk berbagi apa namanya cerita dari si The Long Dark ini gitu. Karena buat gue ini bagus banget sih. Jadi gue rencananya pengen nyoba buat bikin gameplay walaupun gue udah pernah ngabisin 3 episode yang awal ini. Jadi gue pengen nyoba buat bikin ini dari awal lagi gitu karena gue excited banget sih, excited banget buat mainin game ini. Jadi intinya gitu ya, di video kali ini tuh gue pengen coba buat main ini dari awal karena kebetulan gue juga udah agak-agak lupa ya ceritanya, jadi refreshing lagi supaya nanti gue bisa menyambut si episode terakhir itu, episode 5 itu dengan memori yang fresh banget gitu. Eh ya udah kalau gitu kayaknya kita mulai aja kali dari sekarang. Mungkin videonya akan 30 sampai 40 menit per videonya dan banyak questnya ya, banyak sampingan quest-quest sampingannya, tapi intinya gue akan mencoba untuk fokus pada apa namanya? Fokus-fokus sama main story-nya aja. Semoga enjoy, semoga nyaman dengan pembawaan gue. Dan ini mungkin ya sama game ini juga sebenarnya nggak memberikan banyak keterangan ya tentang bagaimana cara memainkan game ini gitu. Jadi nanti gue juga akan sharing eh sharing buset dah penting banget. Coba intinya gue cuma pengen ngasih tahu gitu kayak eh, tips-tips lah buat mainin game ini supaya orang-orang yang baru main The Long Dark gitu ya tahu gitu em, apa yang harus dilakukan, apa yang harus diperhatiin dan gimana mekanisme dari si game ini. Soalnya gue menemukan banyak orang yang ternyata bingung sama The Long Dark karena memang gamenya nggak banyak ngasih tutorial dari awal. Tapi intinya nanti gue coba buat jelasin kalau misalkan gue inget ya. Jadi kita mulai aja dari episode satu. Aduh, gue excited banget sih sebenarnya. Sebenarnya gue pengen mainin banget nih episode 4-nya nih. Cuma kayaknya pengen bikin deh. Kayaknya seru kalau misalkan gue coba bikin lagi dari awal. Dan mungkin akan ada lagu dari copyright ya yang mungkin akan gue mute dengan sengaja. Eh Jujur gue belum pernah ngerasain jadi YouTuber, belum pernah ngerasain dolar kuning, dolar hijau dan segala macam. Tapi intinya supaya videonya tidak di take down atau kayak gimana-gimana, nanti kalau misalkan ada yang copyright, kayaknya suaranya akan gue coba buat edit. Jadi jadi kalau misalkan ada yang janggal gitu dari videonya, sorry banget gitu. Mungkin antara cut atau di mute doang sih. Itu aja dari gue. Kita coba ya, mulai dari sekarang. Oh, ini capable lah ya. Green Survivor ini pasti easy, ini medium, ini hard. Capable aja deh, confirm. Kita namain mulai dari nol. Mulai dari nol. Ah, gila. Oke, jadi tadi tuh lagu copyright ya. Kayaknya bakal gue potong sih. Supaya memastikan aja kalau video nanti yang gue upload itu fine-fine aja kualitasnya. Nggak ada yang kepotong, nggak ada yang ke take down.
Astrid. Astrid!
Oke, 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 oke. Ceritanya nggak bakal gue spoilerin ya. Biarin aja video gamenya bercerita. Oke, kita jadi masih di hangar ya.
The Joker. Seems about right.
Oh, oke,
Feels
kita
like
udah mulai.
another record cold snap on the way.
Oke, kita sudah
I'd better
mulai.
get a fire going before the pipes freeze up again.
Nah, jadi gamenya tuh tentang ini ya, memanfaatkan barang-barang sekitar, terus kayak kita harus aware sama sekitar. Tapi ini masih di awal banget sih. Nah, ini sebenarnya ini tutorial sebenarnya, cuma memang si Hinterland ini nggak semerta-merta memberikan informasi kalau misalkan ini sebenarnya tutorial gitu. Nah, kita bisa lihat, kita bisa.
Great Bear Island. Dad used to fly there all the time. He said it used to be beautiful. Not much reason to go there these days, since the quakes and all.
Oke. Ini cooking pot bisa kita ambil, terus ini juga nih. Sebenarnya standar kayak Minecraft gitu loh, jadi kita bisa nge-craft something nih, kita bisa masak di sini. Tadi kan dia bilang apa namanya butuh nyalain api ya. Nah, kita coba buat nyalain api di sini. Jujur gue excited sih. Sebenarnya gue excited buat mainin episode 4-nya, cuma kayak pengen nyoba buat bikin ini dari awal lagi gitu sih. Oke. Oke, kita dapat objektif baru, explore the hangar. Sprint. Terus suka. Oke. Nah, ini ada pesawatnya dia nih. Dan yang gue suka ya dari game ini tuh sebenarnya simple gitu. Grafiknya nggak yang harus real banget, tapi dia ngambil yang
Jackrabbit Remote Transport. 0 flights a day to the mainland communities and, well, anywhere really.
Jackrabbit Remote Transport. Oh, berarti ini ceritanya hanggarnya dia namanya Jackrabbit ya. Ya, jadi intinya tuh gue suka dari ininya ya, apa namanya, kreatifnya gitu. Mereka ngambil artnya dengan animasi yang super simple. Jadi sebenarnya harusnya ya di laptop-laptop yang biasa gitu atau komputer-komputer kentang itu juga oke gitu. Nggak ada masalah untuk performa harusnya. Kita harus ngapain ya? Lupa. Udah lama soalnya. Nggak ke episode 1 lagi. Dulu kali. Cardbox, candy bar. Ini bisa kita ambil buat dimakan. Eat quickly by selecting items under food in the radial menu. Oke.
Those were better days.
Oh, ini fotonya siapa? Kayaknya Astrid ya, Astrid yang dicari tadi.
I don't remember needing my parka this early in the season. It seems to get colder every year. Getting pretty late in the day. Guess I could take a nap.
Take a nap? What? Oh, okay. You are tired, take a nap. Well, I'm not tired, but okay. Karakter utamanya yang tired, guys. Gue sering banget ngelengok ke sini karena OBS gue di kiri. Oke, telepon.
Who could that be? Jackrabbit Remote Transport, Mackenzie
I
speaking.
told her not to come up. I told her you couldn't fly in this weather. For once, will you not be so damn
Whoa,
stubborn and
whoa,
listen?
slow down, Maureen. What are you talking about?
She just showed up. Said you'd see her. Said you'd fly her north. I know you need the money. The weather service...
It's okay, Maureen. I've got it from here.
Hello, Will.
What are you doing here?
It's been a while, I know.
Yeah. Years. I haven't heard from you since...
I know. And I wouldn't be here if it weren't important.
Well... What brings you... I mean... Are you sick?
No, not me. But I need to get to someone who is.
Right. So you're still a doctor?
Yes, I'm still a doctor.
I thought that after... Why are you here?
I need your help. There's an isolated community in the northern part of Great Bear. Someone there is very sick.
Great Bear? There's nothing there anymore. Not since...
I know. But I have to get there.
Still trying to save the world, huh?
Somebody has to.
What's that supposed to mean?
Mackenzie, Will, I didn't come here to fight about the past. I need a pilot to take me somewhere remote. Someone who won't ask too many questions. Someone I can trust.
Wait. Questions? Astrid, are you in trouble?
Are you gonna help me or not?
What's in the case?
See, there's that thing about no questions, remember?
What's in the case, Astrid?
No questions.
Look, the weather out there is bad. Bad. But it's getting worse. You walk in here after years. I could have been dead. You could have been. And then you show up and you want me to just risk my life flying into the middle of the great northern nowhere to deliver you in some mystery metal case to some remote wilderness outpost, all because you walked in here and asked me to?
Yes.
Astrid, you can't bring him back.
This isn't about that.
I know how hard it's been.
No. You don't know, Mackenzie. You don't know anything.
You don't think I feel it too?
Are you gonna take me or not? The longer I wait, the worse it'll get. Damn it. I don't have time for this.
Wait. The worse what we'll get? Why do I have a feeling you're not talking about the weather?
Because I'm not.
Throw your bags in the plane. I'll get started on pre-flight. Better buckle up tight, because it's going to be a rough ride.
Dan ini salah satu yang gue suka ya.
Let's see. 2 people plus enough fuel to get us out to Great Bear and back leaves... almost no capacity for cargo. If we're too heavy, we'll burn through our fuel before we get there. I'll have to be careful about what else I take with me.
Oh oke. Astrid ada di dalam, kaget gue ada di dalam pesawat. Lihat gak di dalam tuh? Astrid di dalam. Salah satu yang gue suka dari game ini adalah selain tadi ya animasinya yang kartunis, terus enak gitu buat dilihat, santai, enteng. Suaranya bagus banget asli, nggak bohong. Gue suka banget sama suaranya. Oke, kita bawa ini berarti ya. Ini berarti kita harus masukin beberapa barang ke pesawat. Kita nggak bisa bawa itu. Bentar deh.
Astrid's traveling pretty light. Wherever she's going, she must not be planning to stay long.
Oke.
The mysterious case. Astrid definitely doesn't want to talk about what's inside.
Fragile.
Which
Handle with care.
means she's probably not supposed to have it.
Gimana sih? Ini nggak bisa ambil. Jadi tuh kalau nggak salah kita pilih salah satu nih. Kita nggak bisa bawa tiga-tiganya. Ada emergency food, ada first aid kit, ada distress pistol kit. Karena di sini, seingat gue, Oke.
Just need to grab my parka and we can go.
Nah, jadi kita akan berhubungan sama ini nih, apa namanya? Kilogram-kilogram ini. Apa sih namanya? Kilogram. Intinya kapasitas-kapasitas gitu deh. Jadi banyak persiapan yang harus dipikirin segala macam gitu sih. Apalagi kalau mainnya mode hard ya, tapi ini mode normal. Jadi so far oke sih. Nah, ini dari semua ini, grab your parka. Oke. What? Gue belum pilih itunya.
You're still wearing it.
Ya gak bawa apa-apa dong. Ya udahlah.
Wearing what?
Your ring. Our ring.
Nah, jadi Astrid ternyata adalah mantan istrinya kayaknya sih.
just forgot to take it off.
I wear mine too.
Why?
Memories, I guess.
I thought you wanted to forget.
Not all of it.
Drama abis dua orang ini, beneran deh.
I should have looked for you.
It's okay. I've kept busy. I've moved on.
You sure? Because this all seems pretty familiar. You still working with that researcher, Dr. What's his name?
No. No, I'm not working at the center anymore.
Well, then where?
I'm working on my own. Freelance, you could say.
Freelance doctor. That sounds legit.
I don't question your life choices, Mackenzie. Plenty of things you could be doing besides hanging out in your dad's old plane and drinking in the daytime.
Hey, we had a lot of good times in this plane. And it's under control.
I know, okay? I'm not here to fight, really.
I think about him all the time, you know?
I know you do.
But I did. The choice I made. I did it for us.
You don't have to. Let's just not...
No. It's important that you hear this. There's things I need to
Mackenzie,
say.
not now. There's...
Just let me tell you.
Will, shut up for a second. Something's wrong.
That is not good.
What's going on?
Power's gone. Whole electrical system looks fried.
Shit! What's happening?
No power means we're going down. Hold tight.
Will?
Astrid.
Aduh.
Astrid!
Oke.
Must have gone right through the windshield.
Oh, itu pesawatnya di atas. Oke.
Trees broke my fall.
Serem banget gak sih
Mostly.
kalau pesawat mati listrik kayak gitu. The Crash Chapter 2. Oke. Oke, jadi ini apa namanya? Ya, jadi ini adalah official gameplay pertama gimana Long Dark itu sebenarnya. Yang tadi itu cuma yang di hangar tadi itu cuma tutorialnya aja gitu kebanyakan. Dan oke, di awal-awal pun sudah kelihatan kritis ya kita ya. Use fire to melt snow, cook food and keep from freezing. Oke, cari gimana ya? Gue lupa lagi. Asli gue lupa caranya. Start fire. This first aid to stop blood loss. Wait a minute. Oke, kita bisa pakai ini kan ya harusnya. Aduh. Banyak amat. Oke. Oke, ini juga kita bisa lihat statusnya ya. Statusnya si Will Mackenzie ini. Sprain ankle, sprain wrist, pain. Dan kita bisa tahu cara ngobatinnya kayak gimana sebenarnya. Oke, terus caranya gimana nih? Gue lupa deh. Reclaim outer Reven. Kita butuh nyalain api dulu, bentar. Kalau nggak salah ini, ya. Fire, bisa nggak ya? Short fire. Oke, buat nyalain apinya juga kita sebenarnya butuh buat nyari bahan baku segala macam gitu. Dan apinya itu bisa untung-untungan, kadang bisa mati gitu. Kadang kalau misalnya ketiup angin segala macam itu bakalan mati. Oke, sleep in the cave. Kita sleep apa keluar dulu ya? Sleep aja deh. Aduh. Agak nervous ya.
Astrid hasn't come looking
Nice.
for
Heal
me,
semua.
which means she can't come looking for me
Oke.
because she's hurt. Or worse.
Oke.
I'd better get back up to the crash site.
Oke, jadi nah yang tadi kan ada sprain ankle segala macam karena kita tidur, semuanya sembuh, tapi somehow kita haus banget, dehydrated. Jadi kita harus ngelihat ini juga nih, semuanya nih. Dehydrated, ravenous ini tingkat kelaparan kita ya. Rested ini tentang ya tadi kalau kita udah tidur ini bakal penuh. 6 ini tentang suhu sih. Jadi kalau misalkan kedinginan nanti dia akan turun. Ada bisa kita ambil gak ya? Buat bekal perjalanan. Oke, kita ambilin dulu aja. Siapa tahu berguna nanti. Kita harus naik lagi nih ke atas ke tempat pesawat kita jatuh. Tapi sebelum ke sana kita lihat dulu supaya oke, kita dapat ini orange soda. Nah, ini kita bisa minum nih. Oke. Nah, jadi buat ke menu ini ya, menu muter ini tuh pencetnya space. Ini nggak dikasih tahu sama gamenya, makanya gue coba agak sedikit ngebacot sedikit. Kita dapat clothes yang bisa kita pakai buat macem-macem. Ini penting, clothes ini penting. Oke. Kayaknya udah sih cukup tuh dulu. Baru kita naik ke atas. Kita ke atas sana. Dan ini dia. Yang gue suka tentang Long Dark. Game ini tuh cantik banget sebenarnya. Gue suka buat ngeliat pemandangannya. Cuma memang game ini game survival, jadi dibikin cantik tapi menyusahkan.
Probably climb that.
Oke. Ya, kita buka manjat di sini.
Cold is making my head feel thick.
Lu lihat itu, tangannya masih berdarah dong. Jadi awal-awal gue main game ini tuh pusing ya, karena nggak dikasih tahu tutorial apapun. Jadi ya inilah sekalian gue main, sekalian gue kasih tahu tentang apa aja sih yang harus dilakukan di Long Dark ini.
I think I'm gonna make it.
Yes, you will, Mackenzie. Just trust yourself.
Finally made it.
Ini bisa kita harvest, tapi gue nggak pengen banget sekarang, nggak terlalu berguna juga sebenarnya. Itu bisa dijadiin teh ya, kalau misalkan ketemu kompor segala macam yang ada apinya, itu nanti kita bisa bikin teh dari yang itu, dari buah-buah tadi. Nah, somehow karena tadi sebenarnya yang di awal tuh harusnya gue pilih 3 barang ya, 1 dari 3 barang yang bisa gue bawa. Cuma somehow tadi langsung terbang karena gue langsung pilih ke Parka, jadi kayaknya
Not sure which of us looks worse. Poor girl. This isn't how things were supposed to end.
Ya, jadi intinya tuh harusnya di sini nih akan ada barang yang lo bawa. Somehow nih, ini kan cuma ada 2 kan, harusnya ada 1 lagi. Tapi nggak apa-apa.
I've been looking for you.
Oke, ini
Gonna need to eat soon.
berguna banget tuh parka. Jadi kita bisa pakai di sini. Kita bisa ke menu baju. Ini buat menghangatkan orang ya, si Will-nya ini. Serius ini gak dikasih tahu sama game, emang agak-agak nyebelin. Cuma intinya kayak gitu.
Astrid's back.
Oke, berguna semua. Mittens ya, sarung tangan gitu. Ini berguna banget. Dan kita harus bawa ini.
Locked.
Whatever's in
somehow-
this case, Astrid was ready to die for it. I hope she hasn't already died for it.
Ya. Dan somehow karena kita nggak kebawa 1 barang itu, padahal itu bisa jadi keuntungan kita banget sih. Karena tadinya pengen pilih distress pistol ya. Di sini senjata tuh berguna banget. Karena nyarinya susah. Tapi intinya kayak gitu lah. Apa-apa, kita masih bisa survive. Oke, kayaknya udah semua. Aduh, itu sayang banget pesawatnya ya.
She definitely passed through here. And in a hurry.
Oke. Sprinting can help you escape bad weather or dangerous predators. Ya, kita bisa nge-sprint pakai shift ya. Tapi kalau misalnya kita nge-sprint tuh kita bakal lebih cepet capek dan lebih cepet lapar. Ya sama aja sih kayak dicoba kalau kita lari di dunia nyata gitu kan. Cepet lapar, cepet capek, cepet haus. Nah, di sini tips gue adalah ini sebenarnya masih dikasih find and equip small stones to throw at rabbits to stun them. Ini sebenarnya kita dikasih tutorial lagi ya. Intinya apa sih? Intinya kita tuh harus berburu gitu. Ceritanya kita harus berburu di sini.
Never felt so cold in my life.
Nah, jadi buat ngeluarin batu ya, tadi kita ngambil batu, itu kita pencet 2, nomor 2, angka 2 di keyboard. Nah, cuma ini tuh susah banget. Ini susah banget. Lebih tepatnya mungkin karena gue emang nggak bisa aja sih. Jadi ini kita bisa ngapar batu kayak gini. susah. Intinya kita bisa berburu sih. Jadi kita bisa berburu si rabbit ini pakai batu. Jadi di stun terus nanti kita bisa tinggal bunuh aja gitu. Cuma susah banget.
Someone's been here recently. Could it have been Astrid?
Ya sebenarnya kita punya pilihan ya. Dan kayaknya bakal gue skip aja sih karena sebenarnya ini bisa kita skip. Intinya bisa kita skip tanpa harus nangkep si rabbit itu. Walaupun kita lapar, kita kedinginan dan tadi ada tempat buat nyalain api. Intinya
Astrid.
lanjutin aja. Soalnya buat gue terlalu sulit sih. Kalau misal apalagi kalau pemula gitu ya. Buat hunting si rabbit pakai batu tuh susah banget. Dan di sini kita akan bertemu sama wolf dan kita harus jaga jarak.
Oh, is that a wolf? I better keep my distance.
Ya, kita harus jaga jarak sama wolf. Di sini wolf itu adalah salah satu binatang yang berbahaya ya. Dan wolfnya ada macam-macam. Ada yang wolf biasa, ini wolf biasa. Ada wolf yang dan suka ngeluarin suara yang bikin kaget. Tapi intinya yaudah kita jalan dulu aja. Kita menuju ke satu tempat, ke tempat objektif kita. Bisa pencet M ya buat.
Looks like some kind of radio tower. I must be closer to civilization than I thought.
Ya. Intinya kita ke tempat civilization gitu, tempat dimana seharusnya ada penduduk gitu ya. Aduh. Dan kalau di story mode-nya, kalau kita pencet M, oh belum ada, you don't have any maps. Jadi nanti biasanya tuh ada maps-nya. Jadi nggak terlalu sulit.
Getting kind of
Susah kan?
thirsty.
Jadi mostly kalau berburu gitu sebelum dapat senjata susah banget sih buat gue. Mungkin ada yang jago ya, soalnya ada YouTuber lain gitu dari luar yang emang bisa melakukan itu, cuma buat gue kayaknya enggak deh. Nanti kita terusin dulu aja, kita fokus sama story-nya biar gak kelamaan juga videonya. No other weapon in inventory, oke. Kumpulin ini berguna ya buat nyalain api. Ini ya, uniknya dari game ini detailnya adalah kalau mereka naruh gagak di sini, artinya di bawah ada something yang dead ya, something yang mati di sini, entah binatang, entah manusia, entah apapun itu gitu. Ada karkas. Nah, di sini kayak manusia tuh.
Whoa. Someone's just sitting here, frozen. What the hell?
Ada orang mati kedinginan di situ. Dan itulah kerennya game ini ya. Mereka ngasih detail-detail yang masuk akal.
Never been so hungry in my life.
Oke. Selalu aware sama yang namanya wolf ya, karena wolfnya kadang suka nge-roaming dan tiba-tiba muncul di mana aja. Dan mostly kayak gini nih, gamenya akan kayak gini, akan jadi kayak
Smoke from that chimney.
oke, ada tanda-tanda
That means
kehidupan.
someone's home.
Mostly gamenya ya ini jalan sendiri gitu, lihat kiri kanan, ada bahaya atau enggak. Tuh lihat, cantik kan? Bagus gak sih? Gue sih suka banget.
Anyone out there?
Jangan berisik Mackenzie. Ini kita nggak tahu ada di mana. Cantik kan tapi tuh, lihat nah. Tuh pohonnya bagus banget tuh. Sini ada yang hatchet. Nah ini berguna karena ini bisa kita pakai untuk motongin kayu
What happened here?
sama jadi senjata pertahanan kita. Dapat coklat bar, which is nice, bisa kita makan. Good leather, ini bisa dipakai buat memperbaiki kayak sepatu segala macam. Nggak ada apa-apa di dalamnya.
This whole area looks like it's been abandoned for a while.
Oke. Nah, kita masuk ke sini kali ya.
Hello? Anybody here?
Ada orang.
Hey. Hey, wake up. Holy shit! Wait! Hold your fire!
Get back.
Okay. Just take it easy.
Why are you here?
I saw the smoke from your chimney.
Outsider.
What?
Thought so. Mainlander. Outsider. I don't recognize your voice. And you haven't left like the others. So, must be a mainlander. Someone who doesn't know any better.
My plane, I crashed in the mountains nearby.
I'm looking for someone who crashed with me. A friend. She might be injured.
I haven't seen her.
Listen, could you maybe point that gun someplace else?
Iya, serem banget.
You think because my eyes are covered, I can't see you? Make the wrong move, say the wrong thing. You'll see how good a shot I am.
I don't doubt it.
The others are all gone. If you're here, things must be worse than they thought.
Name's Mackenzie, by the way. And you are?
I had a name once. But for years, the townsfolk have called me Grey Mother. A name takes on its own life. Such that at one point, the name becomes the thing it belongs to. Then the old names fade, can only be remembered by the young and the true.
So, I should call you...
You should call me Grey Mother also.
Sitting here with a rifle in your hand. You expecting trouble?
Trouble. Trouble found me.
You mean the storm?
The bad men. The bad men came. Took my things.
Ah.
Tried to take my house. They thought they were safe. Because Grey Mother can't see.
Jadi ada orang jahat yang datang ke
They
rumahnya
were
Grey Mother.
wrong.
Batman? Batman.
Who are the bad men?
The men, they passed through town. The night of the storm. The night of the lights.
I'm looking for my friend. She crashed with me when my plane came down in the mountains. Do you think she could have come through and been caught by these bad men?
I can't say for sure. Is your friend a survivor?
Yes. She is.
Then there is always hope.
The bad men. Did they try to hurt you?
Everyone thinks being old means you're weak. But they underestimated Grey Mother.
Oh my god.
It seems they did.
Oke, there are a lot of thing ya. Bisa kita tanyain. Kita tanyain dulu ini. Banyak percakapan yang bisa kita
I
pilih.
crashed without much food or gear myself. And if these bad men cleaned you out, we're gonna need to find some food and fuel. Or neither of us is gonna make it through the next few days. You have any idea where we could find some supplies?
The bad men took everything. And the others in town who would have helped me are gone. The ones left will have their own worries. It's up to you, outsider.
I'll do what I can, but I'll need your help. There must be somewhere in town to get food, fuel, the essentials.
What about your friend? Aren't you in a hurry to find her?
Yes, I am. And I'll be looking for signs of her. But there's a lot of ground to cover, and without gear, I won't make it. So while I'm looking for supplies, you see what you can remember about the night of the lights, and if she might have passed through town. That way, maybe we can help each other.
Okay, outsider. Grey Mother can't promise she can unlock the secrets in the dark cupboards of her mind. But she'll try.
Chapter 3, The Grey Mother. Oke, jadi banyak ya percakapan yang bisa kita coba buat tanyain ke Grey Mother. Tapi intinya kita tahu di sini lagi ada orang jahat yang nyoba buat nge-trap, mengancam si Grey Mother. Dan somehow kita butuh untuk mencari supplies ya buat mendukung kehidupannya kita. makanan, fuel buat ngebakar, bukan buat ngebakar, tapi maksudnya intinya ya itulah, ada api di situ kan, itu namanya kita butuh fuel, kita butuh minyak, kita butuh something yang buat nyalain api. Em, kita coba way out dulu ya, karena kita kan terjebak di sini.
Okay. Well, any idea how I can get out of this town? I need to find help.
The old quake closed down most of the roads in and out of town. That was years ago. Blizzard just swept through town after the power went out. As for help, you won't find any out there. You're on your own. We both are.
Oke. Jadi kita nggak ada jalan keluar gitu.
You keep calling me a mainlander. Why?
Ya, kenapa ada
That's what
perbedaan?
you are, isn't it? From the mainland, an outsider.
Oke.
You don't really belong here, do you?
Oke.
Okay, but you sound bitter about it.
We lost everything in the collapse. People didn't realize how dependent we'd become. Some were fine with it. Others didn't want the scraps from your table. Created deep rifts in families, communities, scars that never healed. The mainland had become our lifeline, and it was suddenly cut. And so, we suffered.
I guess I don't know much about that history.
I'm not surprised. You mainlanders have always been focused on your own story. Only interested in Great Bear when it had something to give you. If you can't cut it down or dig it out of the ground, what use is it to you?
Waduh. Jadi intinya karena ada bencana ya. Jadi Great Bear, tempat si Grey Mother ini tinggal tuh, kekat sama mainland. Dan itu membawa bencana. Karena mungkin ya, jadi orangnya nggak bisa kemana-mana, terisolasi gitu ya. Dan ya mungkin supplies-nya juga nggak masuk
The town
gitu.
seems so quiet.
Ya, kenapa quiet
Does
banget.
anyone still live here?
Not many. After the earthquakes. Less. After last night. Even fewer.
Where did everyone go?
That I cannot say.
Oke.
All I know is that I heard screams and could smell smoke for most of the night.
Oke.
The power seems out all over town.
The power's always been spotty here, since the quakes. No money to fix the broken stuff left behind. And nobody from the mainland seemed to care enough to do anything about it.
I'm sure someone will come and fix it.
Nobody's coming to save Milton.
Milton.
How can you be so sure?
I've learned to hear the difference between something quiet and something abandoned. This goes deeper than just a stillness. It feels like the moments before the world goes to sleep. We're just the last ones left awake to notice it.
You mentioned smelling smoke.
Someone came here. One of the townsfolk. Tried to convince me to leave. They said there were houses burning in the town. They said people were scared and were leaving for the coast. On foot. Foolish plan. But that's what they said to do. After the quakes. If there was ever another emergency, go to the coast and help will come. They wanted me to go with them. But I'm not ready to leave Milton.
They left you here? Alone?
I'm not alone. I have my Lily.
Lily?
Lily.
Never mind.
Oke.
What really happened here? Seems like people were here recently. Where did they go? Why didn't they call for help or just drive out?
The power went out. Who knows the reason? People started to get cold, hungry. They panicked, started to talk crazy. Others walked here from the highway. Some belonged here. Others were outsiders, like you.
Did anyone see a woman? Brown hair, would have had a tan jacket, a scarf with birds on it. Possibly injured.
There was an outsider woman. I heard her pass through. She wasn't alone. There were angry voices and... But the storm was too loud.
Voices?
I lost the voices and I couldn't get them back.
Voices.
Before, you mentioned hearing voices. Do you remember what you heard?
Memories are gray, misty. I'm trying to remember.
It's okay,
It
ma'am.
was
It's okay.
windy. The blizzard was already waking up. But I heard yelling. A scream.
Was it a woman's voice?
I'm not sure. The voices were thin, far. The blizzard was waking up. Soon there was only wind and darkness. I don't know. I don't remember. It's all cloudy now.
Okay. Thank you, Mother Grey. Grey Mother, sorry. Find supplies to help keep Grey Mother alive. Oke. Nah, kita udah dapat mapnya nih. Jadi kita bisa ngelihat objektifnya ada di mana. The Grey Mother. Check the gas station for more supplies. Ini rumahnya Grey Mother. Ini radio tower. Oke. Ya. Check the gas station for more supplies. Oke. Tapi karena videonya sudah terekam sekitar 50 menitan ya.
I'll be hungry later.
Ya, ini kita bisa makan nih. Mumpung kita lapar juga, kayaknya kita makan aja deh. Dan kita aus banget. Ceritanya kita lagi aus banget nih. Kita nggak ada air ya. Oh, ada ini, orange soda. Oh iya, kita tadi dapat orange soda ya.
Could end up being useful.
Kita punya pot gak sih? Oke, jadi gini sih, karena udah 50 menitan ya recordingnya, supaya bisa diupload dengan nyaman gitu. Kayaknya gue akan mencoba untuk memberhentikan part satunya di sini. Wah, gila, bagus banget gak sih? Ya. Dan so far, apaan tuh? Ya, so far gue suka. Aduh, kenapa sih ada suara itu? Oh, tuh ada serigala. Ya, intinya gitu. Intinya gue akan coba buat save game ini dulu, mulai dari nol. Dan kita di override aja. Yes, mulai dari nol. Dan kita akan nyambung ke video di part selanjutnya ya, biar ini gak kepanjangan, biar bisa diupload dengan oke. Terima kasih sudah menonton. Sampai jumpa di video part 2 dari game The Long Dark. Thank you banget udah nonton.